How to draw screw jack cup. Firstly, you have to draw the initial figure in AutoCAD. Draw the first half view using the drawing. Draw the center line and half view. With the help of line. So this is your half section view. Use the Revolve command. Select the object, enter, select center line or revolve center line, first point, then second point, then you have to enter the angle is 360. So enter the value 360. To rotate the object, shift plus scroll button and change it to conceptual view, 2D wireframe to conceptual. Thank you very much.